What do you do with the Lush Shrek Shower Slime? You squish it in your hands, of course. You also plaster it all over your face to become a real-life Shrek. Princess Fiona, eat your heart out! You can then rub it all over your body, washing with it at the same time. Girls becoming Shrek right now. Smells just like herbal, minty chocolate. You can then admire the cute Shrek packaging and give us a mighty ogre roar. And if you don't want to do any of that, you can just play with it. Gooey slime. Once the fun's over, just wash it off to become human again. Now go on, get out of my swamp.